اليوم استلمت جائزة تميز من فوربس بين the most powerful women بالميدل ايست. هيدي الجائزة بدي أقدمها وبدي فرجيها لكل الناس اللي حاربوني، ولكل الناس اللي سكروا بواب بوجهي، ولكل الناس اللي قالوا لي النجاح مش لإلك. وقفي انزلي على الأرض، لا، النجاح لإلي، والنجاح لكل بنت بتآمن بنفسها، ولكل مرة عندها حلم لازم توصله. أنا بدي أقلكن ما تخلوا شي يوقف بوجهكن. النجاح طعمه بيعقد، طعمه كتير حلو، والنجاح مش صعب. إذا عندك حلم فيك توصلي له، بس حطي بلان وتميزي.
This is a day in my life where I go to Saudi to give a talk at the Forbes Women's Summit. But my morning started 4 hours ago in Dubai.
Where'd you meet? We're late.
Apparently, I was late.
What? Still sleeping?
So I got to the airport and onto the plane. It's a short flight, but a good time to get some work done while eating breakfast.
He's here. Who's flying the plane? I don't understand.
I landed and we drove through Riyadh straight to the hotel. Hair, makeup, matcha, and then time to get ready. These two options, my two favorite color. Today is a milestone for me. It's been a long journey, and events like this remind me how far I've come. And the best part is I'm just getting started. Then it was finally time for the reason I'm here, to speak on stage.
إذا عندهم فكرة بدهم يعملوها، عندهم business, do it now. ما تنطروا لبكرة، ما تقولوا it's not the time. Now it's the right time.
I'm so grateful for all the support I get in Saudi Arabia. None of this would be possible without all the amazing people that support my business. And most importantly, my team.